What happens when a prominent political leader is taken into custody in a democratic country? This question has surged to the forefront of Indian politics as the Supreme Court deliberates on the interim bail for Arvind Kejriwal, a pivotal figure in the Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance, India, and a prominent opponent of the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. The story begins in early April 2024, amidst a climate of rising tension and political unrest. Arvind Kejriwal, known for his critical stance against the current government, found himself ensnared in a series of charges, which many of his supporters claim are politically motivated. The charges led to his arrest, sparking widespread debates and protests concerning the fairness and integrity of the judicial process in India. As the weeks unfolded, the situation escalated. By mid-April, the case had reached the Supreme Court of India, attracting national and international attention. The court was tasked with deciding whether to grant interim bail to Kejriwal. This decision was not just about one man's freedom, but was seen as a litmus test for the judiciary's independence in India. Supporters of Kejriwal argue that his arrest is a strategic move by the BJP to weaken the opposition ahead of crucial elections. They point to a pattern of opposition leaders facing legal challenges that conveniently undermine their political influence. Critics, however, maintain that the legal actions are justified, holding that no individual, regardless of their political stature, is above the law. On the other side, the government and its supporters defend their actions by highlighting the necessity of upholding law and order and combating corruption, asserting that the charges against Kejriwal are based on substantive evidence, not political rivalry. As the Supreme Court deliberates on this matter, several key issues come under scrutiny. These include the timing of the arrest, the nature of the charges, and the broader implications for political dissent and freedom in the world's largest democracy. In conclusion, the Supreme Court's decision on Arvind Kejriwal's interim bail is a defining moment for Indian politics. It holds significant implications not only for the balance of power between the government and the opposition, but also for the perception of judicial impartiality and democratic health in India. As the nation waits on the edge, the outcome of this decision could either reinforce the judiciary's role as an independent arbiter or raise troubling questions about the influence of political power over judicial decisions.